What's up everyone, welcome back. Today I've got another Pinksale Fairlaunch I wanted to share with you guys that caught my eye. This one's called InsuranceFi. Now their Fairlaunch had actually already started. As you can see here, the sale is live, and so far they've had 125 BNB contributed, but there is still over a day left on the pre-sale, so it's definitely one I'm keeping an eye on and seeing how much contribution this is going to gain over the next 24 hours. So yeah, let's go over some of the points of why I'm interested in this. The first thing is they've got all three Pinksale badges, especially this one on the left, this Seifu badge. Now basically what this one means is that the contract has been developed by a contract developer on Pinksale's safe developer list. And what it also means is this contract developer will keep ownership of this contract after the launch of the project. Now, since Pinksale have introduced this badge here, I'm yet to see a project do anything malicious, especially around the launch time, which has this badge here. So, you know, so far this method is working in terms of fighting against scams and stuff like that. So it's something that I'm definitely I look out for when I'm looking for these upcoming projects at the minute. I actually probably won't make any videos on any projects that don't have this badge at the moment. And yeah, so moving on, it's a little bit more information about it. Another thing I look out for at the moment is low tax, 5% on sell and buy, which is okay. You know, I look for projects that are less than 5% buy and sell tax. Seems to be the projects with lower taxes tend to perform better at the moment, especially around launch time. And yeah, moving on, one of the things that made me curious about this project is their utility. Now what these guys have are actually going to do, they have staking available, and but what it's also going to act as, it's going to act as an insurance protocol that covers investment loss. So you know, this is the utility that I don't think I've really seen before, which has caught my eye and seems interesting. And just before we go on to the website, I can show you that stuff in more detail. Let's go over to the token metrics. As you can see, the thing that we're most interested in is this unlocked here. As you can see, they've only got a very 0.7% tokens unlocked at launch, which is very important. And as you can see here, all the tokens that are locked, the first unlock won't be until the 5th of October. They do have a small amount that are going to be unlocked on the 2nd of September, so that's something to take into consideration as well. You can see here, Kraken Tech, I've done a quick free audit, and you can see here, the owner cannot disable the trading, you cannot mint new tokens, you cannot set blacklists, you cannot set the fees more than 10%, and you cannot change the max transaction limit. So just moving on to the website then. So yeah, these guys, this is the stuff that I'm interested in. As you can see here, they've got staking available. But for the people that choose to stake, as you can see here, investors can sign up for an insurance contract when staked to secure their investment. Our insurance fund will cover your investment loss. Now, I'm not sure whether this is going to be investment loss just when you lose money, or it will only cover you if the contract, if the project that you invest in turns out to be a scam or something like this. But as you say, you can just go into the white paper and you can read into this into a little bit more detail to work out exactly how it works and what you're covered for and that kind of stuff. And yeah, so you guys have got just over a day left for this one, so it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Let's see how much contribution they get over the next 24 hours. Again, with these projects, if they get too much contribution before the end of the pre-sale, typically it's better to wait for after the launch, after the first dip, because, you know, especially these ones that have more than 1,000 BNB contributed at the moment with the current market situation, it makes it very difficult to have enough buy pressure at launch, and typically they will go under the pre-sale price. So yeah, but if it doesn't have too much more contribution over the next more 24 hours, it's definitely something that I'm interested in looking at. And yeah, so thanks for listening as always, guys. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, bye.